In this video, you'll learn how to view the original listing after making a purchase on eBay. This process allows you to access important details about the item you bought, including its description, photos, and pricing information. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, direct your attention to the top of the page where you will find the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled My eBay and click on it. This action will take you to a drop-down menu where you can select Purchase History. After selecting Purchase History, you will be taken to a page displaying a list of all items you have recently purchased or won in auctions. Scroll through this list until you locate the specific order you wish to review. To proceed, click on the title of the item or the link that says Order Details to access the purchase information page. On the order page, you should see a link that reads either View Item or View Original Listing. Clicking this link will open the original product listing as it appeared at the time of your purchase. This step is crucial as it provides access to all relevant details about the item you bought. Once the original listing opens, take your time to carefully review the information presented. You will find the item description, images, price, and shipping details that were provided by the seller. This is particularly important if you need to verify the condition or specifications of the item you received. If the original listing is no longer active, eBay may still display an archived version for your reference. This feature is helpful for buyers who want to keep track of the exact product they purchased and the promises made by the seller regarding the item. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.